If you would like to publish your webmix to your public Symbaloo PRO workspace, you can do so by clicking the Share button at the top of your page. Currently, this education webmix is private and only available in our My Symbaloo workspace, which can be viewed here. But we want to publish it to District 37. To do that, I'm going to click the Share button here, and then click Publish to a workspace. This next window will show you all of the available places where you can publish your webmix. Here you can see the different workspaces, and we're going to go ahead and publish to District 37. Now, this webmix will be visible on this domain. If at any point you make changes that you want to update, you can click the Republish button here, or if you don't want to show it anymore, you can simply unpublish. If you have any questions on publishing to workspaces, please let us know at help.symbaloo.com. Thank you.